Welcome to the MBS Engineering channel. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we will cover the following topics. First, why carbon dioxide CO₂, or nitrogen N2 purging is required in the coal mill baghouse. Second, its importance in the coal mill baghouse. We will discuss each of these topics in detail in the upcoming slides. Next, we will discuss and understand the basic introduction about the CO₂, or N2 purging systems. In a coal mill baghouse, the presence of fine coal dust creates a high risk of fire and explosion. To control these hazards, CO₂, or N2 purging systems are installed to maintain safe operating conditions. Next, we will discuss and understand why CO₂, or N2 purging is required in the coal mill baghouse. Coal dust is highly combustible. When coal dust, oxygen, and heat are present together, ignition can occur. CO₂, or N2 purging systems are used to reduce oxygen levels and prevent combustion. The purpose of CO₂, or N2 purging in a coal mill baghouse is to maintain safe operating conditions. By lowering oxygen levels and suppressing combustion, these systems protect equipment, personnel, and the entire plant. Please refer to the picture. Due to the non-operation of the N2, or CO₂ purging nozzles, a fire or explosion occurred. Next, we will discuss and understand the importance of the CO₂, or N2 inert gas purging system. The first importance is oxygen reduction. Coal dust can ignite when fuel, heat, and oxygen are present. CO₂, or N2 purging systems reduce oxygen concentration inside the baghouse. Keeps O2 concentration below the ignition limit, typically less than 8 to 10%. The second importance is fire suppression focus. If hot particles, sparks, or smoldering coal enter the baghouse, CO₂, or N2 play a vital role. CO₂ quickly extinguishes flames, while N2 maintains an inert atmosphere to prevent further combustion. Next, we will discuss and understand the importance of the CO₂, or N2 inert gas purging system. The third importance is explosion prevention. Coal mill baghouses operate with fine coal dust, which is highly explosive. Inert gas purging prevents dust cloud ignition, rapid pressure rise, and potential baghouse casing failure. Whenever it works as a preventive safety system, while rupture discs act as pressure relief protection. Next, we will discuss and understand the importance of the CO₂, or N2 inert gas purging system. The fourth importance is emergency protection. CO₂, or N2 purging is activated during abnormal conditions such as high CO levels, high baghouse temperature, mill trip or sudden shutdown, fire detection or spark detection alarms. CO₂, or N2 purging systems are automatically activated to isolate the baghouse and ensure safe shutdown. Next, we will discuss and understand the importance of the CO₂, or N2 inert gas purging system. The fifth importance is equipment protection and personnel safety. It is used prevents damage to filter bags and cages, prevents damage to baghouse casing, prevents damage to ducts and dampers, enhances personnel safety by controlling fire and explosion hazards. Next, we will discuss and understand the importance of the CO₂, or N2 inert gas purging system. The sixth importance is integration with other safety systems. The CO₂, or N2 purging system does not operate independently. It works in close coordination with several other safety systems to provide complete explosion protection in the coal mill baghouse. First, CO monitoring system. Second, temperature sensors. Third, spark detectors. Fourth, rupture discs. Together, these systems Continuously monitor operating conditions, detect early signs of fire or explosion risk, and initiate timely protective actions. This integrated approach ensures rapid response, minimizes damage, and enhances overall plant safety. Next, we will discuss and understand comparison of CO₂ and N2 purging system. Both N2 and CO₂ serve as effective inert gases in explosion prevention systems. In modern installations, nitrogen is preferred due to its lower operating cost and higher availability. Nitrogen is widely available and can be generated on-site using PSA technology. It provides effective oxygen reduction while continuously sweeping coal dust and hazardous gases from the system. Nitrogen inerting mechanism relies on dilution and displacement. However, proper pressure control is essential to ensure operational safety. Carbon dioxide, while capable of rapid oxygen displacement, is costlier and more challenging to store and transport. Next, we summarize, and the conclusion of this video is: let us quickly recap what we learned in today's video. CO₂, or N2 purging systems are critical safety measures in coal mill baghouses to reduce oxygen levels, suppress fires, prevent explosions, and protect equipment and personnel. They work together with CO monitoring, temperature sensors, spark detectors, and rupture disks to form a complete explosion protection system. Both N2 and CO₂ serve as effective inert gases in explosion prevention systems. In modern installations, nitrogen is preferred due to its lower operating cost and higher availability. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your colleagues and friends. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with more tutorials videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.